Hello, I'm Vosser, and I'm going to show you how you can join a video meeting or join a video conference call when using Google Meet. So what we need to start off by doing is going into our web browser, and in our web browser, navigating to meet.google.com. And you can see here, it auto-filled for me because I've been to this website before. Now, if I'm on a Android device or an Apple device, I might find it offers me the opportunity to download the app. Absolutely going to need to download the app, and then you'll find the functionality and the experience pretty similar to what you're seeing here on a web-based browser. Okay, I can join a meeting that I've been invited to, and if the creator of the meeting has used Google Calendar and they've inputted my details and I'm logged in with the correct organization, the correct Google tenancy account, then you'll see that the meeting is listed for me, so I can just click in it and go straight in. If you want to know how you create Google Meets from Google Calendar, there's another video on my channel that explains how to do that, so please check that out. In this example, though, we're just going to head straight into a meet. So I'm going to click or tap on Join or Start a Meeting. So meetings can either have a meeting code or a meeting nickname. The meeting code is 10 digits long, and I could just type that in here. What I've done is I've set up a meeting nickname. Now, meeting nicknames only work in your G Suite tenancy, so only within your organization. And in this example here, I've called it Test Meet. So if I press continue, it will tell me that it's joining the meet. Now, I have several options here. You can see that it's loaded up the page, and I've got some options before I join. I can see my audio is working because it's picking up my voice here, and this little bar here shows me that. I can mute my microphone, and you can see that stops. I've also got a camera that's on, but I've covered it up for now because we don't need to see my lockdown hair. So I can turn this camera off as well. Now I have a separate microphone and speaker system. So I've got a little message up here warning me that I might get echo. So unless I've checked my settings, that might happen. So if you need to experiment with your settings because it hasn't picked up your camera or your microphone, click on this More Options button here and go up to Settings. When this opens, you can see your microphone settings, your speaker settings, and then settings for your video as well. And you can look at what resolutions are being processed by your camera as well. So once you've done that, you'll have seen in the more options, we also have this option to turn on captions. I've got another video which explains how to use captions and how they work so well, and also the ability to be able to present our screens in Google Meet. So if you're interested in those features, please check that out. Once I'm ready to join the call, I just press Join Now. And we can see there is another account already in this call. And because I turned my microphone and camera off, when I join the meet, they remain switched off, and I can turn them on whenever I'm ready. What's really interesting to know is if you've got more than 5 people already in a meet, the new people who join will automatically be muted, so you don't need to worry about that happening, because with lots of people on a call, sometimes it can get a bit confusing. So that's a relatively new feature just to help manage meets. So let's have a look around Meet then. In the bottom left-hand corner here, I have the details of the Meet. So if I need to send the joining information to anyone else, I can copy the joining information here. And if there's any attachments or files that have been placed to accompany the meeting, I can access them here. In the center, I have my ability to be able to turn on my microphone, leave the call, or turn on the camera, or turn off the camera if I've already got it on. Captions and present. As I've said, you can find out more about those in another video. And I've got some more options here which allow me to look at the settings of the Meet, as we've already done, the ability to change the layout about how the different cameras are displayed. So for example, I can have people down the sidebar with the main presenter in the middle. I can spotlight on the main presenter, or I know a grid view is coming very soon to this layout. So keep an eye out for that. We also have the ability to go full screen, which will remove our top bar and any menu bars we have at the bottom. And I have the ability to record the meeting because at the moment, Google are providing that enterprise feature for free to all tenancies. So as long as your administrators turn it on, you also have the ability to be able to record your meetings. In the top right-hand corner, you have the ability to pin your own camera. So at the moment, because my camera's off, it's just my profile picture. We have the ability to be able to access the chat, which we can post out to everybody who's currently in the call. And we also have the ability to see the people who are currently on the call. So I've got myself and another test account. And if we need to add more people, we can tap that button there and we can type in their G Suite tenancy address to be able to get them on the call. So hopefully that's given you a really nice introductory tour of all the different features and how simple it is to join a meet. So if you found this video useful, please like and subscribe to it on YouTube. And thank you very much for watching.